welcome to today's episode of Cooking with Elvie. I'm Elvie, and if it looks like I'm crying, it's because I am. Those onions were mean. Okay, today I'm gonna share with you another Chipotle recipe. When I was setting up for this, I realized that I've been making a lot of Chipotle recipes, but it's because they're so good. Chipotle chiles are so good, and it's like, this is what Mexicans be eating. Like, everything is like the same ingredients, just like used differently. I promise it's like, it tastes totally different than the last two Chipotle recipes, so try it out. Okay, let me run you through all the ingredients. You're gonna need some shredded chicken. Now these were 2 chicken breasts that I boiled for about 40 minutes because they were pretty large, and I boiled them with 1 whole onion and 2 garlic cloves, and then I heavily salted the water so it could have some flavor. You're also going to need a lot of onion, some salt and tomato bouillon, some garlic, some tomatoes, and some canned chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. The first thing you're going to do is let some oil get hot on your pan. I have my heat at medium-high. Once your oil gets hot, we're going to throw our onions in there. Give them a little toss. We're gonna leave them in here until they get nice and soft and translucent. And when that happens, we're gonna add our chicken to it. Don't leave your onions in one spot. Stir them once in a while so they don't burn. Once they're all soft and we got a little bit of color on there, I'm going to add my chicken. Give that a little stir. I'm going to put my heat down to medium, and I'm going to leave the chicken in here for a little while with the onion so they can marry together. I'm actually going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on there too, because we want to make sure we layer we want to make sure we season every layer of our dish always, so that it never lacks flavor. Leave that in there for a few minutes so the chicken heats through. So I forgot to tell you guys what I'm actually making, but you probably already know by the title of this video. Today I'm making tostadas de tinga. So while our chicken is heating up with our onions, we're going to make our sauce, which is very simple. Just gonna throw our tomatoes in there, our salt and tomato bouillon, our garlic, and our chipotle peppers. Now, this is a 7-ounce can of chipotle peppers. Put as many as you want to. You don't have to put the whole can, and you don't have to put half the can. You just put as many as you want, depending on how spicy you want it. Usually, we don't have our tinga that spicy, so I just put a few peppers in there. Today I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. Let's do the whole can. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna do about 5 peppers, and then the rest I'm gonna save in an airtight container and use it another time. Go ahead and blend this all up until it is smooth. Sometimes you just gotta, I'm just kidding. Okay, that is perfect. We gotta come back to town. Our chicken and our onion have been heating up together now for about 6 minutes. We got some more color on our onions and everything is looking good. Now we're just gonna pour our sauce over it. I like my tinga sauce a little bit thick. Some people like their tinga very soupy, but I like when it's a little thick. We're gonna stir this up, and then we're gonna let it come to a boil. Make sure you incorporate that sauce in there really well. Once our sauce is fully incorporated and our chicken kind of comes to a boil, we're going to put a lid on it and let it simmer for about 5-6 minutes. Okay, when you're all done making your tinga, you just want to build your tostada and then it is ready to eat. You don't have to eat it on a tostada if you don't want to. I mean, you can certainly eat it with tortillas or just by the spoonful, but normally we eat it on a tostada, and you can build a tostada like this, fully loaded. You can choose any toppings you want, really. So on this one I have beans on the bottom, and then tinga, and then I have a little bit of lettuce and sour cream and queso fresco, and then if I had some salsa, I would put salsa on there. If I had avocado, I would put avocado on there. You can use cabbage instead of lettuce if you want. Also, really, the possibilities are endless. But I am a plain Jane, and I am going to build my tostada right now. Honestly, I literally just put sour cream on the bottom. If I'm being really honest, I literally just mix sour cream into my tinga and then put it on my tostadas, but for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna be like that. And then just put some tinga on there, and then I will taste it with you guys. Okay, let's try it. That was really good. It's not spicy at all. And I love the flavor. Sour cream, like, you can't have it without sour cream. Sour cream just adds like the most special thing. Okay, that is all that I have for you guys today. Excuse my messy eating. I had to cut out a little part of it because I was just not classy, you know? I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. I hope that you try this recipe, and if you do, please post a picture of it and tag me in it on social media. All my handles will be listed in the bottom bar below. The full recipe will also be listed down below. Go ahead and take a look at that so you can see the exact amounts that I used of everything. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you're having a good day or night wherever you are, and God bless. You're right. Not you kidding.
That was funny. That's a good loop.
I'm done.
Alright, everyone, just go try it.